If you are interested in improving your pictures, they may be old ones or new ones. Maybe you digitized your slides, or took them out of old albums, or even boxes, or possibly you took them yesterday. Photoshop Elements, PSE, is for you. And this is one of the classes where you should begin your exploration. Guided is one of 3 modes in Photoshop Elements, and Basic is one of 6 elements in Guided. You should start with Basics, and you will get an introduction to all the other guided classes. Also, these are techniques you will use over and over again. Here are some examples of what we will cover. It's easy to correct the colors in pictures. But sometimes we have a good picture that's current, but there's something distracting about it. Easily taken care of in one of these modules right here in Basics. Or sometimes we just have a darn good picture that can be improved. What I did here was I straightened it. Here is a nice picture where you can have a different feel by adding a dark vignette or a light vignette. Here's a whole bunch of stuff I wouldn't read right now, but I will tell you how to find it and read it. Go to the Grand Computer's website, then click on Education. This will take you to a whole bunch of classes. Scroll down past the PC classes and the Mac classes until you get to other classes. Then find the Elements classes. Here they are. Now click on the Elements Guided Basics, and you can find all that information I told you not to read earlier. Just to remind you, this is all in Elements Guided Basics.